Hey everybody, welcome back. I have another Earth Day activity for all of us to do together. So for this activity, we are going to be painting using dirt. Interesting, right? So what you are going to need for this project is a tray to keep your table clean, the printout of the Earth that is posted down below this video, a pen so you can sign your artwork, scissors so you can cut it out later, some glue, watercolor. I have blue food coloring and water mixed together because I do not have any watercolors at home with me, and some dirt. I just went outside into my backyard and collected some dirt and put it into a bag. The first thing that we are going to do in this activity is we're going to take our watercolor or our food coloring with water and paint all of the white space on our Earth. That's going to be all the water. And it is okay if you get outside the lines because when this is all dry, we're going to cut it out. Okay, I painted all of my water. So I'm going to show that to you real quick. Here's my Earth with my blue food coloring or my blue watercolor. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our glue, and all of the black space where the land is, we're going to add some glue. Okay, so let me show you what I have so far. I wasn't very fancy with how I put the glue on because you just need a little bit of glue on there, and then you're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to spread your glue around and cover all of that space. Once you are spreading all of your glue around your Earth, it's going to look a little more like this. Then the last thing that you're going to need is some dirt. So get prepared to get a little dirty. You're going to take little pinches of your dirt and spread it around on your glue. Okay, let's see those fingers. Are they a little muddy? Okay, so I will show you what mine looks like. I just splattered the dirt around on my glue, and then you are going to take your picture and very carefully shake the dirt off onto your tray. I have some twigs in there. You don't want to shake it too much because you don't want all of your dirt to fall off, but then your Earth is going to look a little like this. Notice how some of my dirt got stuck on my watercolor? Once your picture is completely dry, you will be able to just brush that off. Since there's no glue there, it's not going to stick. So I hope that you enjoyed this little activity. It's something you can do very easily, and as you can see, it did not take long at all. It only took a couple minutes. And I hope that you have a wonderful Earth Day. I'll see you next time.